Hello guys, in today's video we'll discuss about the BET, which is called Brownor-Emmett-Taylor surface area analysis, which is also known as the multi-measurement of an analyte's specific surface area, which is measured in terms of meter square per gram through the gas adsorption analysis, where an inert gas like nitrogen is continuously flowed over a solid sample, or the solid sample is suspended in a defined gaseous volume. Now, the surface area analysis is the most widely recognized technique for finding out the surface area of solids and powders. Now, the samples are first prepared by drying with a flow of inert gas or vacuum atmosphere to clear the surface of any contaminants. The sample is introduced to a cryogenic temperature to allow a probe gas to physically adsorb to the surface of the sample. The volume of probe gas is adsorbed is measured to determine the quantity of gas required to cover the surface of the sample. The term BET theory is then applied to the adsorption data to generate a specific area reported in units of area per mass of sample. That is, I told you earlier, that is meter square per gram. Okay, now BET is appropriate for a quick analysis for quality control with an established linear BET, and BET testing alone does not provide the pore measurement. This would be determined with gas phase option isotherm analysis, and this is very suitable for the dry materials only, and the sample must be dried, okay, before analysis, and this is suitable for around 2 to 5 grams. If sample availability is limited, please, any here the sample availability is limited in terms of the masses. Okay, now in few seconds you will see how to carry out the surface area analysis. Okay, so in this first part we will be seeing the basic steps, how to load the sample, how to do the uh, mm, adsorption and desorption of the samples, loading of the sample, weighing of the samples. In our second part we will be seeing the plotting and all the details. So first of all, what we have to do is to prepare our system. Okay, so first of all we'll switch on off the device, okay, from the back, and then we'll make sure the gases are in line. Okay, and this is our main system, okay, which is called Nova. So first of all we have to switch on the Nova software. Okay, so you can see we have switched on the Nova. Okay, and then icon also we have to see on the extreme right. Okay, so now we are able to open the Nova. Okay, now we have to enter the weights that we did for the samples, desorption. Okay, so now we will enter the weights. Okay, and this is our main software user interface. So now I'm clicking on that, and then I'm entering the weights, okay, and choosing the options that you can see on the screen. Okay, so after this, okay, we have to make sure that we have entered all the inputs in the software. Okay, now we are entering the inputs, the weights and all. Okay, and after entering the inputs, okay, so we will with the help of the switch we will enter the temperature on which we have to do the degassing. Sorry, I forgot to mention about this. It's not about desorption. You have to weigh the sample, enter the weights, and then we have to enter the temperature here in the software. Okay, and after entering that, okay, so these are the saved previous files, so we can use any one of them, or we can also create our own method. Okay, now after making changes in the file, okay, so we are changing the file here, changing the options in the in the software. Okay, now we have already I mean entered all the informations. Okay, and now we are trying to change some. Okay, now we, after making changes, now we are trying to this is the plot, this is the graph space where we will get the plots after the analysis has been done. Okay, now we are with the help of the this is the chamber where we have to put our sample. Okay, so we'll slowly open the compartment. Before that, we have to set the temperature, and also we are checking the gases line. Okay, and checking the pressure. Okay, so these are the knobs here at the back of the equipment. Now we'll open this compartment, and these are the two sample holders. Okay, and the first one, on the extreme left, we will put our samples. So the samples with the holders down. Okay, now we will open the compartment. Okay, so the extreme left one is for degassing, and the right one is for the the BET analysis, where in the container we put liquid nitrogen gas. Okay, so these option and the BET analysis. So first of all, you have to degas your sample, and after that you will be doing the BET, or you can say the specific surface area analysis. Okay, so now this is the screen of our device. So you can see there are certain options. We need to play with these options. Okay, so now we will try to enter the informations using the buttons, or you can say the controls down. Okay, okay, and these are the lines, the back for the gases, and these are the screens where you will see the temperature, and you have to be sure that you are putting the right temperature. Okay, on which you have to degas your sample. Okay, so now we are doing some initial settings before degassing. Okay, so these are the knobs or buttons through which we will set the temperature. So this is for we are playing with the options here, you can see on the screen. Okay, now the temperatures are already set, so we have to switch on the buttons, and then with these controls. So basically in this video we are restricted to the just showing you how to play with the options. Okay, so this will be our first part. In the second part we'll be talking more about the plottings and how to get the results and how to do the do the BET analysis. So in this one we just showed you the basic functioning of our BET machine, or you can say the surface area analysis machine. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Thanks.